everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good evening to all of you. This is Khushi, and today's video what I am going to show you all is that कि I went to a main campus of DTU. Like हम लोग जो है मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट हैं एंड मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट्स का जो कैंपस है वो ईस्ट दिल्ली में है, ठीक है, दैट इज़ ईस्ट कैंपस. सो एक्चुअली आई हैव अप्लाइड फॉर वन रोल दैट इज़ बेसिकली अ हॉस्पिटैलिटी डिपार्टमेंट. एज यू ऑल आर अवेयर दैट कि फेबररी में एनजी फेस्ट होता है, DTU का बहुत ही बड़ा फेस्ट होता है दिल्ली का. सो उसके लिए मतलब पोजीशंस ओपन हुई थी कि टू बी वॉलंटियर ओवर देयर. सो आई हैव ऑल्सो फिल्ड इन इट. सो मैंने उसमें हॉस्पिटैलिटी डिपार्टमेंट में फिल किया था. सो मुझे उसके इंटरव्यू के लिए मतलब DTU का जो मेन कैंपस है वहाँ जाना पड़ा. जिसके बाद सो आई वेंट टू अ मेन कैंपस फॉर द इंटरव्यू. सो आई हैव रिकॉर्डेड द होल जर्नी फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंड पॉइंट तक. एंड होप सो yes, this is it for all, and hope you all will enjoy watching the vlog. And yes, go and check it out. One more thing I want to add over here, that I got selected in that interview. That means keep now I'm officially a partner of like a volunteer of a NG Fest 2025, which is going to happen like most probably in February. So yes, I would be also a part of it. Like, this is just an update I wanted. My day started with this healthy breakfast in which I had milk and some slices of apple as well as some cheese, and after that I got ready for going to college. And then I went to a metro station, and there on I need to catch up my friends as they were already there, because they all are from the East Delhi and I'm already in North Delhi, so they have reached early. And then we all came together to the main campus, and this is the center of the like the middle part of the campus. Okay, let me share one secret with you. Like, जब it was a time for me to shortlisting the college कि किसमें मुझे admission लेना है, तो DTU was also there, but I have already eliminated in just at one glance क्योंकि I have never thought कि I would make into it. ठीक है. Then what happened is completely unexpected, that the college which I have eliminated, my perception has completely changed the day I got admission into it. And I was so surprised. Even still when I was voiceovering this, I got goosebumps. Okay, now we reached the venue we have asked for. Like, this is a mini OAT जहाँ पे सबका interview हो रहा था, and there were all departments available, and the interview was taken by हमारे जो seniors थे वहाँ के. They are taking, and surprisingly I was selected for it. Then हम सबका interview हो गया था, तो we were exploring the campus around, like it was my first time to the main campus. Then my friends took me to the old canteen, and but I was so disappointed to be there. Like, ambience was so bad. Then we were exploring here and there and came to know that एक new canteen बनी है जो कि बहुत ही बड़ी थी, and the price there were also nominal. We had chow mein, chole bhature and some chili potato. And also at last we came to know that Domino's was also there. And after having our lunch, we chilled out in the class which was completely vacant. And sometimes मैं कभी कभार ये सोचती हूँ कि how life would be अगर मैंने BTech pursue किया होता, तो who would I be today. And since I was a science student, like my stream was science, so it was hard for me. Like, it was even very difficult for me, to switch the stream and to switch the career. But I always feel blessed कि I have that liberty to take on my own decisions, so that in future में मुझे कभी regret ना हो कि मैंने कुछ ऐसा decide कर लिया या फिर कोई ऐसा decision ले लिया जिसकी वजह से I am not happy in my present. So yes, everything happens for a reason, and whatever written in the destiny is going to happen, no matter what you are trying to do.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low, sunset
Go back
paints
to
the
our own
sky.
campus. Like, हमारी marketing की class थी, and so we decided to take that class क्योंकि there is a shortage in attendance. So we went over there, took our 2-hour class that is from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. And yes, we were so tired.
Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, we've dreams flying high. No
And on my
maps,
way
no
I had this
plans,
tasty
just an
sizzler
open
because I
road.
was so hungry क्योंकि it's already 8 PM and बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया था. This is it for today's vlog. Hope you all have a great time here and enjoy watching it. Thank you so much for always showing your love. Bye.